Welcome to WealthWise Summaries. Today, we're delving into Your Next 5 Moves, Master the Art of Business Strategy by Patrick Bet-David. This insightful book is a masterclass in business strategy, offering a step-by-step approach to thinking like a CEO and planning your next moves in business with precision. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business leader, Bet-David's methods will empower you to think ahead and stay strategic in your decisions. Join us as we unfold the playbook for mastering the art of strategy and making your next 5 moves your best moves. Introduction to the author's approach. Patrick Bet-David, a successful entrepreneur and CEO, introduces a methodical approach to strategic thinking in business. He emphasizes the importance of planning your next 5 moves ahead, much like a chess grandmaster. Move 1. Master knowing yourself. Bet-David stresses the importance of self-awareness as the foundation of good strategy. He guides readers through understanding their own strengths, weaknesses, and core values. He encourages readers to set clear personal and professional goals, aligning them with their deeper motivations and life vision. Move 2. Understand what you want in business. This move focuses on defining clear objectives in the business landscape. It involves identifying what success looks like for you, be it financial freedom, innovation, influence, or other personal metrics. Bet-David provides tools for setting realistic yet ambitious business goals and planning for both short-term achievements and long-term aspirations. Move 3. Develop a strategy to achieve your goals. Here, the author dives into the nuts and bolts of strategic planning. He discusses how to build a robust strategy that takes into account market conditions, competition, and potential obstacles. Bet-David emphasizes the need for flexibility and strategy, allowing for adjustments as circumstances change. Move 4. Build your team. Recognizing that no one achieves success alone, this move delves into the importance of assembling a strong team. It covers hiring practices, team dynamics, and leadership skills. The book highlights the value of diversity in skills and perspectives, and how to foster a culture of collaboration and accountability within your team. Move 5. Leadership and management. The final move addresses leadership and management skills necessary to execute your strategy successfully. Bet-David shares insights on effective decision-making, conflict resolution, and motivating teams. He discusses the balance between hands-on management and empowering team members to take initiative, practical application, and case studies. Throughout the book, Bet-David enriches his advice with real-life examples and case studies from his own experience and other successful businesses. He provides practical exercises and questions for the reader to apply the concepts to their own business scenarios. The importance of continuous learning. Bet-David advocates for a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. He encourages readers to consistently seek new knowledge and perspectives to enhance their strategic thinking. Conclusion. In concluding, Your Next 5 Moves is presented as a comprehensive guide to strategic thinking in business, offering practical, actionable advice for entrepreneurs and business leaders at all levels. And that concludes our detailed exploration of Your Next 5 Moves by Patrick Bet-David. This book provides a clear roadmap to mastering business strategy and thinking like a CEO. As you reflect on these lessons, consider how you can apply Bet-David's strategic framework to your own business and career goals. Thank you for joining WealthWise Summaries. To further refine your strategic skills and stay ahead in the game of business, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.